Why, hello, and welcome to the Ad Coaching Club member website. You've made it. This is where all of the content, all the magic happens. This is where everything is at. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough and show you where everything is inside of the Ad Coaching Club. If you are watching this video, you are likely here at this spot where you were at the Quick Start Guide. When you're there, make sure that you're looking over not just the video, but everything else underneath this tab. And you need to know all the benefits of your membership. We've got lots of different things that are added. We've got lots of different things that change. Look over this few paragraphs and get to know everything, depending on what you want to know. Now, let me go ahead and tell you this too before we get started. If there's ever a question about where to find something, first, you can look through the different categories here and look based on if you want EDDM, which is also called neighborhood postcards to new prospects. If you want postcards, which are client postcards, newsletters, whatever, you can look at all the different categories here. You can also go to the home button and look at the different tabs here, and doorknob hangers, training for brochures, EDDM brochures, you get it. You can also use the search function right here to look for commercial, look for these various things. Now, as well, the other thing to keep in mind is if you are looking for commercial marketing, you want to go ahead and click this tab and get the promo code to get into the commercial course for free. You'll have to verify your credit card. You will not be charged as long as you put in the promo code and as long as you're a current Ad Coaching Club member. But go ahead and realize that that's a separate member website, just as this Ad Coaching Club is for commercial. So keep that in mind. Now, after you've browsed the categories and looked through the various information, and you'll probably want to get some designs done. And you can get it designed either by us or you can do it yourself. And let me show you where all of that's located. When you click on the free graphic design tab, you're going to be looking at this form right here. Now watch the video and understand what's going on with the free graphic design. Normally you fill out the form and you can have us design it for you for free. Give us 1 to 3 business days. Normally we have it done in 1 or 2 business days, but it depends on how busy that we are. Or you can design it yourself. If you just want to go ahead and do it yourself, you feel comfortable with that. Now you do have to have a little bit of graphic experience. You don't have to be a graphic designer by any stretch because the template's already done. All you need to be able to do is learn how to put pictures inside of pictures, and really not that hard. We even give you a training video under the Quick Start Guide if you go back to this area on how to use this software. But click on this link and try to take a stab at doing it if you'd like to. If it's above your head, if it's above your skill level, we definitely allow for 1 free graphic design per month where one of my professional designers will go in and customize it for you. Just fill out all this information. If you don't know what to do, if you don't know what to pick, just pick I don't know and give us at least a little bit of information about what you're trying to do. We'll be able to help you and guide you through that. So the biggest lesson with this is if you're wanting to have any designs actually done and anything actually customized, go to this tab and that gets the ball started. That lets us know that you're wanting to get something done. If you didn't fill it out properly, it's not a problem. We'll email you back and say, hey, we've got questions and we need to fill in the blanks, and we'll try to answer your questions. But the big thing is we don't know that you're trying to do anything until you fill out this form. So that's really step 1, either filling out the form, or if you already have the graphic downloaded and you want to do it yourself, use the software here. If you like some of the training on how to use the design software, go to Quick Start and go to the Quick Start Guide. Now you can also use Photoshop Elements or full version Photoshop if you'd like to. Most of the graphics that we've got are in PSD format, which is a Photoshop document. So after you get the design done, you might probably want to get us to print it. Now you don't have to, you're under no obligation to use our printing. Now I will let you know 99% of the time our printing is going to be cheaper than anything you can get locally or even online because we're brokers for big printers and we pass that savings on down to you. So to get that printed after the design is done, or if you've designed it yourself, fill out this form. And if you're interested in finding out first how much the price is, look over this price list, click this link here, and that'll open up in another tab and look over the price list. We can actually mail the mailings for you if you'd like. There's a little button that you click, has got print or our mailing house mailing directly to your clients. If so, yes. If you don't want it mailed and you want to mail it yourself, just put in no. But again, if there's any questions, just let us know and hear kind of some of the specifics. Let us know what you're trying to do. We'll make sure that you get it done properly, as long as you are upfront with us and let us know that you're sending it to a mailing list, if you're sending it to a neighborhood, whatever you're trying to do. Again, big thing is just fill out the forms to get the ball started and let us know what you're trying to do. We'll guide you in the right direction. That's one of the big benefits to being part of the Ad Coaching Club. So, and again, I mentioned that we can mail them for you, but you're under no obligation. You can have them sent directly to you, and you can mail them yourself. It does change on how much the mailing costs. Generally, it's anywhere between $85 to $150 fee for doing the actual labeling, and then the postage is anywhere from bulk mail is about 29 cents per postcard. Generally, unless it's a really big postcard. And if you wanted to do first class for a smaller postcard, it's generally 32 cents. If it's a bigger postcard, it's generally 40. Don't quote me exactly on any of these. By the way, these are all rough estimates. Generally about 40, I think it's 44, 45 cents. So again, if you're interested and you need prices, just shoot us an email and let us know. The biggest thing is how many that you're mailing. That really has a lot to do with how much it's going to be. So get them filled out. That's the big thing. If you don't know, just let us know in the notes that you don't know and ask the questions that you want to ask. We don't know that you're trying to do anything though until you fill those forms out. So keep that in mind. So now also here we've got various different modules for training. So if you notice here under the Home tab, we've got modules for training on how to do every door direct mail if you decide to do that. By the way, that's a service for the United States Postal Service. There's something similar in Canada. There's also something similar in the UK. Now, even in the US, though, we don't always use every door direct mail. If you're wondering what to do, let us know and we'll guide you through that process. We've got training for Google Ads, we've got brochures, we've got a referral marketing program. You want to go ahead and get acquainted with all of that. Don't get overwhelmed, just decide what you want to do first, right? Decide what you want to do, make that goal and work on that one thing. If you're interested in the commercial marketing, we have that here. That's another entire membership site. We have the Google Ads course that you have access to right here. We have the recent Google My Business course. We have an SEO course, and then the new software that you've got access to that you can actually use to email, text, and even do voicemail drops to past clients or prospects as well. It can even be used for scheduling and for a reminder system. Look over that information right there. And again, I get it, a lot to digest. Don't think that you have to do everything all at once. In fact, nobody can do that. I've been doing this Ad Coaching Club for over 10 years. We've got a lot of stuff inside of the club. We've added a lot to it over the years. So decide what you want to work on first and make a list of one or two of the top things and get that going. It's better to do something other than be stagnant because you don't know what to work on. And again, if you're wondering, shoot me an email and say, hey, John, I'm wondering, what do I do first? I'll lead you in the right direction. Again, big takeaways with this is let us know if there's a question. Shoot us an email. Usually email is the quickest way because what we're going to do is email you a link to something inside of the Ad Coaching Club. And then secondarily, if you do want to do a specific design, fill out this form right here, free graphic design. That will get the ball rolling. That'll let us know what you're going to be doing. So let us know. We want to help you target your cleaning clients profitably. That's what Hitman Advertising is all about.